Hey, gorgeous minds, welcome back to Gorgeous Way to Learn, your daily boost of smart vocabulary. Today, we're mixing it up with 5 simple and 5 powerful office words. Let's grow your word bank fast and fun. Word number 1, task, a job you need to do. Example, I have 3 tasks to finish today. Word number 2, meeting, a group discussion at work. Example, the team meeting starts at 10. Word number 3, deadline, the final time to finish something. Example, submit the file before the deadline. Word number 4, schedule, your plan for the day. Example, check your schedule and stay on track. Word number 5, colleague, a person you work with. Example, my colleague helped me with the project. Now, ready to level up? Word number 6, delegation, sharing tasks with your team. Example, smart leaders practice delegation. Word number 7, synergy, when teamwork creates better results. Example, with good synergy, everything flows smoothly. Word number 8, hierarchy, the levels of roles in a company. Example, he moved up the corporate hierarchy. Word number 9, facilitate, to make something easier. Example, she facilitated the session like a pro. Word number 10, paradigm, a typical model or way of doing things. Example, the company shifted its business paradigm. Words are power. Use them well. Which word did you love today? Comment below. Follow Gorgeous Way to learn for daily word magic. See you in the next one.